Hello guys, today I show you how to remove watermark copyright in a picture like this. You see many later here. So how to do it in the Photoshop. So I open my Photoshop now. Click here, open, paste the picture in desktop. Click here, open. Right click on it. Double click layer. Okay. So do on this copy layer. So there are many methods to remove the watermark. So I will show you all the method. You can check out in the description below. So the first is I use this tool. You see here, path tool. Use this tool. So circle it and drag it with the same background. All of this with the same background. Yeah. Do with all later with the same background. See here, A is blue background. Zoom, the same background. Yeah. Okay. Here with the same background. Oh no, so I'm sorry. Okay, no problem. Yeah, that's cool, guy. There are many methods. I will show all of you, all the method to all of you. Okay, this is the same background. Yeah, this background. Yeah. Oh, this is my difficult. Huh? Yeah. So just do one by one. Mm-hmm. Yeah, like this. Okay, like this. Like this. Okay, so the other is the same. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and please check in the description below to see other methods to remove the watermark or copyright in a picture from Google or from somewhere you want that have a watermark. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.